Apple cider vinegar and honey for a tickly cough or cold sore throat. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And press the bell icon for regular update. Do you have an annoying tickly cough or a cold? Do you have a sore throat? Honey is meant to act to help soothe the cough or soreness in the throat. Antibacterial properties of both honey and vinegar are meant to be beneficial. Again, I have seen no research to support this, as I have with other claims, as you'll see. However, if you'd like to try it, then this recipe is for the very brave. For a tickly cough: half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Mix together with half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 4 teaspoons of honey. Take 1 tablespoon as and when the cough starts, and before bedtime. I would sip carefully, and personally I would not give this to children. Thanks for watching me. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please stay tuned for more.